No.
You have a really good brown. Oh shit. It's too bright. It really
That
is.
is bright.
I mean, that shit is like, I felt the sun shining.
It's a little bright. It's a little extreme.
I mean, it is, and you can't help but look at it either. It makes you feel a little uncomfortable, not gonna lie.
Looking through the light.
What the hell?
Luisa,
Yes.
how you doing?
Ay, Dios mío, that light. Por Dios. Take it away. Oh, I'm feeling nice. I feel real nice.
I did not even realize that was a video camera.
She just thought we wanted to shine it in her face.
That is, I was like, why is she like on this like flashlight tip? You know, it's like how rude.
Girl,
And
she's
it's
trying
like,
to see the girls too, you know?
I'm like,
Oh. Stop talking about nothing.
the only reason why you ever think you care about anything is because sometimes you might.
She can fucking start out cute too.
It's like, no, sometimes it's like, you know what? You don't know what you've been through, but one day you go and you can't figure out the time in which point this even took place. But you stay wondering and you're just like, you know, at some point or another, something's got to give. And when it does, I'll be there to grab, you know, the times that from the checking in process all the way to the exit. It's like, you know, either way, as long as you're dreaming, some things, they work themselves out.
There's an open and there's an exit.
Oh, shit.
I literally saw myself walk off stage at that point. It was like, you know when it's the end, you know what I mean? And you just cut it there,
The whole
perfect,
exit, yeah.
clean cut. That's the best. And that was, I couldn't even help it. It was like I lost control.